Bird sent by Providence. By James McIntyre. A poor man stood beside his door, his sad fate for to deplore, for landlord's heart would not relent, and seized his furniture for rent. He hears song sweet as from fairy, and soon he sees a canary, into his cage it did alight and poured forth notes sweet and bright. But owner of the bird did mourn, and sadly longed for its return, without it she found no delight, so she did landlord's bill requite. The poor man thinks the bird was sent by the Lord to pay up his rent, and he now stout maintains from thence that there is a kind Providence.